Hi Whiskers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're trying something a little bit different. We will be showing you guys our self-care routine. But before we get into all of that, I will ask you to please subscribe to our channel for more content during these difficult times. So please like this video if you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that notification bell. And make sure to stick around for some bonus content and bloopers at the end of this video. So thank you guys, and hope you enjoy it! Are you ready to share our self-care routine? Just a full disclosure before we get any further in this video. None of these products are sponsored in any way, and this isn't an ad in any way for any of the following products. So we usually start by removing any excess makeup. We stick with the Neutrogena all-in-one makeup removing cleansing wipes. So I have this mirror right here. So I did put on a little bit of makeup yesterday, and I just want to make sure with these wipes that there aren't any more residue. So as you guys can see, there was still a little bit of makeup on my skin, but now that this is completely all gone, we can go ahead and go to the next step. Ew, it's disgusting. See this? Do you see this? Yeah, he's judging me. Next up, we are going to exfoliate the lips. To exfoliate my lips, I use the chocolate lip scrub from Lush. It really says, take a pea-sized amount and scrub your lips soft, then lick off the excess. Now this is my kind of product, because I have a lot of dead skin on my lips. They get super dry. Oh my god, it really tastes like chocolate. Now that the lips are scrubbed clean, what I'm gonna use is the lip balm from Lush again. It is Rich Beeswax and Tangerine Oil Bliss. It really helped me with my dry skin, so it looks like this in the pan. You're just gonna take your finger, clean fingers, of course. Hygiene! So once it's on your finger, you can go ahead and apply it to the lips. Now that the lips are done, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the face, but for that we're gonna go into the bathroom because I need some water. So to clean my face, I use the Fresh Foaming Cleanser from Neutrogena. So once you rinsed your face, as you can see, it is rinsed. If you hear some sounds in the background, I'm really sorry. That's Whiskey playing with the new curtains. So I usually take about this much, yeah. You scrub it together. You make it foam just a little bit. God, where is he? Whiskey! You generously apply. So you're gonna rinse it all off.
And 20 minutes later.
You are then going to dry it off. To exfoliate my face, I use the Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel. It does say here to only use it one. Can mommy film her self-care routine? Huh? Oh my god. Whiskey! He's in a clear need for attention. Well, Whiskey! Now we are going to... Whiskey! So we are now going to use the Peter Thomas Roth as a gel exfoliant. So remember, don't put a lot because it is exfoliant. You shouldn't do it every day. Just a few, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. That's how much I do it. And you scrub the clean face. So if any dead skin is still present, it will catch it. So once the exfoliation is fully rinsed off, so soft. Whiskey. Initially wanted to keep my mascara for this self-care day, but with washing my face and all of that, I realized that's not gonna work. So we're gonna go full bare face. Disclaimer, if you're scared of zombies, don't continue watching because that's exactly what I look like. So I'm gonna take a hot bath because no self-care day, I think, is complete without a hot shower or a hot bath. So for this part of the video, I will be wearing a top bathing suit because we are on YouTube, and on this channel we are not about that life. So this is why I'll be wearing this blue bikini top. I will also untie my hair and put it up in a bun. So thanks for watching this video, you guys, and now we are going to start with the comment features. On my last video, how to teach your cat to sit, we have a comment from Peachy !aesthetic. We have how to teach your cat to sit. My cat actually slaps me. That's a good one. That's a whole cat aesthetic right there. We have Katarina Zikovic. I don't know if I said that right. Me watching this and wondering how much pounds will the cat and dog get after this video and treats, and of course later me wanting to eat because I watched this and got hungry. Actually the same thing happened to me, but they didn't get that much treats on that video, but some of the chippets were cut in half or were grained apart a little bit, so they didn't get too fat. He didn't throw up, none of them were sick. They just really enjoyed their experience. We have a comment here from Jessica Guatemala. It says, Sophie, could you do some French lessons on YouTube? Just a suggestion. So I am not a French teacher. I am French Canadian, so my first language is French. I am from Quebec, Canada. But yeah, sure, I could maybe do some quick little lessons of French. I guess with a little bit of research online with some of the basic words. Tell me down in the comments what you would like me to say in French in a next video. We could give French lessons. Yeah, he agrees. When's the next giveaway? From Khan Magical. The next giveaway I think will happen when we get up to 10,000 subscribers. We are now at 5,000 something. I didn't quite check. We're at 5.8k followers, so at 10k I promise you guys I will do another giveaway. I don't know what the prize will be, but I will do another one. So leave your funny comments or your demands for future videos down below, and I will make sure to read them, and maybe you will be in a future comment in a next video. So thank you guys for watching, and for now we're gonna leave you with some bloopers from this video. We have a comment from Peachy exclamation. We have a comment from Peachy exclamation point. Whiskey. Get them eyebrows. I'm losing my mind. Not it. I really like this product because it never let me down. Like all of my expectations in life. But my skin do feel soft though. Wow. I just spit up